Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transit. So in front of us and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series L2H1. So L2 means it's the long wheelbase, giving us just under 3 meters of load length in the back. H1 is the low roof. 6-speed automatic gearbox, Euro 6.2, 130 PS. Covered just 15,241 miles, excellent condition, metallic chrome blue. Registered late December 2021, and sits on a 71 plate, so it comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance. So the limited series, well spec'd inside and out. You've got the 8-inch touchscreen in the cab, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And on the outside we've got 16-inch alloy wheels, body colour side mouldings, front and rear parking sensors alongside the rear view camera, body colour door handles, and this particular van has been fitted with an upgraded driver's door lock, so stainless steel one to replace the Ford one, automatic rain sensing wipers, automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, corner and fogs, chrome effect on the grille, and this is in stock today. So L2 means we get just under 3 meters of load length along the easy clean floor. We get various tie downs, ply lining kit, full metal bulkhead and LED load lights. There is a load through compartment in the bulkhead, which can be accessed via the passenger seats, giving you that extra load length if you require. Lockable rear doors when they're in a 90-degree position. And they also open a full 180 degrees. Right, now into the cab. You can see leather trimmed steering wheel, automatic gearbox just beyond that, and above that, the 8-inch touchscreen. Dual passenger seat, 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar sport. Electric one-touch windows, power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running LEDs, voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected, automatic rain sensing wipers, and cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. And just confirming the mileage. Automatic gearbox, so here's the gear selector with a manual mode, and of course just down there 2 pedals. Then beyond we have the manual air conditioning. We've got the 2 heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, and quick clear and quick cool. And then just above that, Ice Pack 21, so the main Ford entertainment system, a great blend of touchscreen and physical buttons. Connect your phone through USB up on the dash, and you can then access Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Really great feature. And the screen also displays the rear view camera and your front and rear parking sensors. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have a rare Ford Transit Custom Limited Series L2 6-speed automatic gearbox, 130 PS, covered just 15,241 miles. So good chunk of Ford warranty still left on this vehicle, as it was registered December 2021. Ice Pack 21 in the cab, so the 8-inch touchscreen, connect your phone, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.